Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to enable Authenticator app on Roblox, then you just need to open your Roblox application and make sure that you are logged into your account. Now tap on this three dot button or the more option here. Now you just need to scroll down until you find this settings option. From here you'll find the security option. Simply tap on it, and from here it will take a while to load this two-step verification process that you can follow to set up a extra layer of security to your Roblox account. So here you can find that Authenticator app, and this is actually the very secure process that you can follow or add to your account. So if you want to enable Authenticator app, then you have to tap on that Authenticator app option here and tap on verify button here, and here it will ask for the passkey. Simply tap on continue and enter your passkey of your device that you have set up for your lock screen. So from here you can find authenticator setup window. So from here you will find a long code that will help you to set up the Google Authenticator or Microsoft Authenticator. So you just need to tap on it, and here you can see the manual key copied to clipboard. Now you have to just go to your Google Authenticator or the Microsoft Authenticator application. You can just download it from the Google Play Store or the App Store. Now tap on plus icon and tap on enter a setup key. So you can just tap on the account name. From here you can just name it whichever name you remembered for your account. Then you just need to enter that key or paste that key from here, like paste. Here you can see I have just pasted that key from here. Now tap on add, and it will just add that code in your Google Authenticator. So right now I'm going to add a code from here. So like this, I'm going to name it for Roblox main, and I'm going to enter the key here, and you can just set the type of key. So you can just set the time based or counter based. I'm going to set it time based. Now tap on add, and here you can see it has just added to my Google Authenticator, and it will just generate every time a unique code, 6-digit code, after these certain times runs out. So make sure that you copy that code and paste it and verify that code before the times runs out and before a new code generated by this Google Authenticator. Now I have just copied it. I'm going to paste it here. For set up this authenticator, you just need to tap on verify, and it's pretty all these steps that you have to follow to turn on the Authenticator app on your Roblox account. So that's how you can just see that the toggle button is not turned on. So you can just easily turn on the Authenticator app, and it will secure your account more than the email and the hardware security key. So it is most secure process for a two-factor authentication process on your Roblox account. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.